Here we go. Here's little Suki. How you doing? I know you guys have been really laying around all day because it's been so hot. And now it's time for Mom to go to bed. You guys are ready to play. What do you say, Bo? He's like, I'm ready to play. I'm ready to play. Suki. Come here. Come on. Come on. You're such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. And you pose so nicely. And you little monkey. You're a little monkey. Yes, you are. Where's your brother at? He's still chilling. Yes, you're very cute. You're very cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you make little chirping sounds. It's very cute. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Where's the little other guy? There he is. There he is. There's my little guy. Hey, you. He's like, why are you bothering me? It's very hot. Very hot. Yes. I know, bud. I know. He's like, oh my goodness gracious. It's so hot here today. I just can't handle it. I just can't handle it. But I like my belly rubbed. I like my belly rubbed. Yes, I do. Yes, I totally do. You guys, they're like melted kittens. These are melted kittens. Hey, look what I got. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa! I got a flying bow and a flying Suki. Come on, little guy. You can do it. You can do it. You guys. Whoa. What a jumper he is. Okay. It's hard to get you guys all in one place at one time. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are. And you're a handsome dude. And you're a monkey. You're a little blue monkey. Oh, Suki's like, I'm going up the vanity. I can do this. Give me. Yes. Yes, you like this toy, don't you? You like this toy. Very fun, isn't it? It's very sparkly. Very sparkly. Yes. Get the litter pans out of the picture. That would be a little more attractive, wouldn't it? Well, I promised I'd get some video off of you guys this weekend, and weekend kind of got away from me. Handsome boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And you. You're both sweethearts. All three of you. We got the flying bow and the Suki and the little guy. Doesn't have a name yet, but soon. You guys are going to be going off in a couple weeks. Yes, you are. Won't be long now, will it? God, you got to stay away. I wish my arms were longer. Whoa. You guys, you are a bunch of little monkeys. You want to come up here? You gonna come up to Vanity? You think you can do it? Yeah? Think you can do it? Oh, yes. Pretty kittens. You guys are so cute. You're just like your mom. Beautiful little kittens. And of course your dad. Your dad is a wonderful kitty. BJ. Okie dokie. I guess you two like to hang out more. Okay, can I turn you guys around here so you look here? This isn't working too well. But at least it gives you a chance to see the babies and how they're doing. And they're doing well. And it won't be long now. And they'll be in your lap and in your face and purring in your hands. Yes, siree. Yes, siree. Okay. Say hello and goodbye to Charlene. Charlene, yeah. And Joan, Suki says hi. And Terry, Bo says hi. These two like to pal around. Okay, well, as you can see, they like these little kitty teases. So if you can get one at a PetSmart, or usually you can get better ones online, even Amazon. Get one with Mylar. They really, really like these. And they like those little sparkly balls that they can retrieve and bring back to you from Joanne Fabrics. I'll try to put some in the package with the carrier when they come to you. Come here, guys. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. That's it. Goodbye.